Commercial banking is transforming faster than ever. As I look ahead at 2026, I see three key trends impacting commercial banking. First and foremost, generative AI. 2025 saw generative AI finding acceptance across the banking industry. We are seeing similar acceptance and adoption in commercial banking. You can go from customer service, auto case creation, to liquidity management, to repair queue management, payment routing, and ultimately a more personalized customer engagement. To the end customers, this has meant faster approvals, smarter risk management, and ultimately solutions tailored for their business. We see this adoption trend continuing to grow. The second big trend is real-time payments. As US is now ready with TCH RTP and FedNow, we see RTP becoming a norm across the globe. Now businesses expect instant settlement and banks have to respond with API-first infrastructure with AI usage and embedded solutions. So strengthening the RTP capabilities will remain a key focus for organizations in 2026 and beyond. Third big trend is modernization. Now this is an age-old theme, right? This is not something new, but arrival of stablecoins, real-time payments, and generative AI has made this an immediate imperative. Generative AI is also helping in the realization of modernization. We are seeing specific emphasis on mainframe modernization along with cloud adoption, along with AI-first systems, and leveraging a broader API ecosystem. We see modernization continue in lending, payments, and trade space in 2026. So to sum it up, AI, real-time payments, and modernization are three pillars shaping up commercial banking in 2026. For clients, this will mean faster, smarter, and more connected financial services. For bank, it's really an opportunity to differentiate themselves from competition. Thank you.